Hello and welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log out of Viber. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Tap open your Viber application and if you are not signed in, sign into your account first. Tap on Start Now from the first interface of Viber. Start by entering your phone number in order to log in. Once you enter your phone number, tap on Continue and from the pop-up select Yes in order to receive a code sent via SMS to your mobile number. Go ahead and type in your name and your birthday information and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Once you log in and you are in your chat screen of Viber, go and tap on the More button at the bottom right. Now, from your profile page, tap on the Settings button. Now go to General under Settings. At the very bottom of the page, you'll be able to see an Exit button. Tap on Exit and from the pop-up select OK. And that way, you'll be logged out of your Viber. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.